In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Forms for event registration, and we'll do this in just about 5 minutes. Now, Google Forms is an incredibly versatile tool, particularly when it comes to gathering information for events like meetings, conferences, or even casual meetups. Let's dive right in and get started with the process. First, you'll want to head over to Google Drive. If you're new to Google Drive, simply open your browser and type in drive.google.com and hit enter. This will take you directly to the Google Drive homepage, where you'll see various options related to your Google files. Once you're in Google Drive, look for the New button, typically located in the upper left corner. Clicking on this button will present a drop-down menu with several options. Here, you're going to select Google Forms. It's a straightforward selection, but very key to getting us started on our form creation journey. After this, you'll want to choose a new form, so select Blank Form from the list of templates. Starting with a blank form offers you complete flexibility in designing a registration form that fits your unique needs and preferences. Now it's time to name your form. For our purposes, let's call it registration. It's important to have a clear and concise title so that your respondents know exactly what they are signing up for. You can simply click on the title field of the form to input this name. Let's move on to adding questions. Click on the Untitled Question field, and you can start by asking for the registrant's full names. Click on the question type drop-down and choose Short Answer, which is ideal for brief responses like names. Of course, you'll want to gather email addresses too. Click the Add Question button and type in email. Again, select Short Answer for this field. It's a good practice to mark a field like this as required to ensure no one skips it. Next, let's add a phone number field. Click on Add Question again, type in phone number, and set the answer type to Short Answer. Ensuring you have contact details is essential for any follow-up communications. Now, you might want to also get additional details like the date of birth and home address. For the date of birth, click to add a new question and type it in. Make sure to select date as the response type to keep the format consistent. For the address, you might opt for paragraph to allow a more detailed input from your respondents. If you wish to capture more specific info such as educational background or residency info like city and state, repeat the process, type in your question and select the appropriate response type like short answer or drop down for preset options. Once you've input all your questions, it's time to publish your form. Hit the publish button. Finally, you might want to take a quick look at how the form appears to respondents by clicking on Preview. And there you have it. In about 5 minutes, you've created a robust event registration form using Google Forms. This setup will streamline collecting and organizing